You've set up your channel and finished putting the finishing touches on your first YouTube video. It's time to upload and watch the views, subs, and likes come rolling in. There are a few things that you're going to need to do though. Click on the camera button in the top right of your screen, then select Upload Video. Next, you will either drop the video file into the designated area or click in the middle area and select your file. Once you've dropped your file or selected it, the uploading will commence and you'll be taken to the next screen. Information regarding your video, title and description. Remember to always use relevant keywords to help in search results. In the description area, you can add links to your website, affiliate links, with disclosures, social links, links to other videos, etc. Tagging your video is one of the best ways to improve your video's SEO, search engine optimization, which results in being found easier in search and through discovery. The field below your description is where you can enter tags. These can be up to 500 characters and you should use as many of these characters as you can. The best tags are keywords and search terms that relate to your video. These can be individual words, phrases or even completed sentences. Separate your keywords by using the comma symbol. Your thumbnail is the cover image that is first seen when scrolling through YouTube. This means it can be your first point of contact with a potential viewer and is a very important factor determining whether it's your video that will be clicked on, or someone else's. To upload a custom thumbnail, click on the Custom Thumbnail button and then select the image you want to use as your thumbnail. You can access advanced settings by clicking on the Advanced Settings tab. Here you will be provided with a range of new options. In the Advanced Settings, you can alter a number of settings, like turning off comments, choosing your video category, editing the video's license rights, age restrictions, and more. In the Advanced Settings, you can alter a number of settings, like turning off comments, choosing your video category, editing the video's license rights, age restrictions, and more. All that's left to do is hit the Publish button and watch your video go live.